Friends, today we are going to learn how to use Google Jamboard. Now Google Jamboard is like whiteboard, but it is smarter in a way that it is interactive in nature. So in Jamboard you can pull in images from Google search, you can save your jam, you can collaborate it, you can share it with your children, they can collaborate, they can use it, they can do changes in it. So today we'll learn how this Google Jam can be used. Now for this, first of all, you have to go to your Gmail. Now in your Gmail account, on the right side you can see these Google apps, these 9 dots. Click on this. Now in this you will find Google Jamboard. Jamboard will be seen here. The symbol is this one, J. This is Jamboard. So click on it, you will get a new jam. Now suppose if you are having some jam prepared, that will be seen here. So whatever you work you do in jam, it gets saved in your Google Drive. So for creating a new one, you have to go to this mark plus. So click on this new jam. So a new jam, a blank will open like this. Now this is the new jam. Here you can see untitled jam. So first of all you have to give a name to your jam. So this is my jam. Then here you can see zoom in, zoom out option is there. Background, in the background whatever type of background you can select. You can take this dot form, you can take these lines, you can take these square forms, you can take this graphical. So these all options are there, or either you can select blackboard also. So depends on you. Next is clear frame. Whatever is here you can clear from here, from clear frame. Then on the left side you can see these options. Here it is a pen, eraser, selecting the button, then sticky notes, add image, circle, text box, then your laser to highlight. So this is the pen. So in pen also you will find different types of pen. You can see marker, you can see highlighter, brush. Then you can select the color also, which type of color pen you want. Suppose I want a green one, so you can use a green pen. So you can do anything, you can write numbers. So I think for mostly it is helpful for the mathematics teachers. Next is the erase button. So whatever work you have done, if you want to rub, you can rub it from here, or you can go to this clear the frame. Clear frame means everything whatever is on your jam, that will be taken out, wiped out. Next is the select button. Suppose a picture is there, you can select that picture, you can move it here and there. Next is the sticky note. On clicking the sticky note, you get this. So sticky note, suppose I want to identify the image, you can write a sticky image. Then from here you can take the background, yellow, green, blue, pink, orange, or no color if it is white. So anything you can select from here, save. So here you get the sticky note. So you can increase or decrease its size, you can move it here and there. Then the 3 dots are here. If you click on it, you will get option edit, duplicate, delete. So you can do anything from it. Edit means you can change whatever is written here, duplicate or delete it. So this is the sticky note. Next comes the add image. So add image, you can, if you click on it, so from add image you can take any image from Google. Suppose you want a circle, you can get a circle from the Google search. If your pictures are on your Google Drive, from there you can take. If any photos are saved, from there you can take any type of photos you want. then upload, select a file, then you have to upload the picture. Suppose from Google Drive I want to take a picture of a lotus, so click on that, select, so this is the image I got. So from here you can increase or decrease the size. So you can see here, you can identify the image, what is it, you can ask the children. You can move here also. Next option is the circle. What type of, what thing you want. Suppose I want a circle, you can fill the color also from here. So this you can do here. Then next one is this you can also move also with the help of select button. You can move, you can decrease the size. Next is text box. If I click on text box, I get, you can insert anything here. Suppose you want your child to write here tables, so here they can write the tables. You can write, suppose you write the tables. Write table of 2. So this is the text box here. Children can write here with the help of this pen. So this is the highlight laser. So suppose you want to tell, identify what is this, what is this, what, which is sepal or petal, what is this called as. So you can highlight this with the help of this laser. What is this color, you can use this laser. So this is your jam. So you can, this is a pen, erase, so, selecting the options, then sticky notes, this is the sticky note, then inserting the image from your Google Drive, or from Google search, then inserting the image, text box and this laser. Then from here you can select the background. This is the clear frame, you can clear everything whatever is here. Okay, next is share to whom. Now you can share this with your students. Suppose if you want to collaborate, with whom you want to collaborate, so you have to give the Gmail ID here to with whom you wanted it to be do some changes. So from here you can do it and give the email ID here. Then what he can do, edit, send. So this whole presentation jam will be sent by the mail. So once again, pen, erase, then you select sticky note, inserting the image, inserting the a circle, then your text box, laser, undo, redo, zoom in, zoom out, background change and clear the frame. These are the options in the Jamboard. So why it is interactive, it is useful because from here you can insert the images from your Google search. Okay, thank you.